guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can log out of your eFootball account. So first of all, eFootball does not have a direct option of logging out of your account. However, here is a small trick that you could try. So first of all, you're going to have to simply long tap onto your eFootball and then tap on the eye icon. If you would like to log out, the simple hack is simply clearing the data. So after you long tap onto your eFootball, you will get into App Info page. In here, tap on Storage, then select Clear Data. It says all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So all you have to do is tap on the confirm action for clearing the data. And as you clear the data, if you have been logged into your eFootball account, you will get logged out. It will be a fresh page, just like you have just reinstalled this eFootball app. Then simply open your eFootball, and then if you would like to log in to a new account, you may go ahead and do so. This is how it's done. Thank you for watching.